It's really important to have the right attitude to take control of your legal education. It's a big responsibility going to law school. It's a financial responsibility, it's a time commitment. There'll be a lot of stress involved. And so, for you to take ownership of yourself, there's so many things that you can do to effectively make your first year easier and more strategic. And another way that you can really take control of your first year of law school is to do some stress management techniques such as yoga and meditation and really see yourself as a success. I think what's really important is that we forget about our mindset. It's really important to have the right mindset to really see yourself successful. That is very important. And the words that you use and tell yourself can be very important. You can tell yourself, I'm going to be a failure, and you probably will become a failure. Or you can tell yourself, I'm going to be a success. I'm going to learn what I need to do, and I'm going to do a great job in law school. And that's very important and something people forget about.